today's video, I got two of my little helpers here. We're going to be putting down some fertilizer and spot seeding some areas that haven't really done very well. So with that,
let's get out of the weeds. So today, we're going to learn about fertilizer. It's food for your grass, and it helps make your grass darker and thicker, and it helps it get darker and better. Fertilizer gives the grass nutrients like the food that we eat. Today we're gonna be putting down starter fertilizer. Today we're gonna use Scott's spreader, so let's figure out our spreader setting. So I'm looking at the back of our bag. It looks like our number should be 4.5. So now we turn our dial to 4.5. When we load up the spreader, we're going to slow her down. Everything in the whole wide world is grass, except like houses or trees. I love to look at grass when it's good. Like our grass, it needs to be greener, but it's whiter, okay? Because it just needs to be really green. So, our dad is putting fertilizer in the grass. So, remember I said earlier about it? So, fertilizer keeps the grass darker and better, so it can keep growing. And it's like food for us, so it can even help your grass get thicker a bit, and it can get darker too. I got a fun fact about grass. Grass is allergic to milk. I knew that. Amelia told me that, but I don't know if it's true. So maybe you shouldn't really listen about that. That is true. So I'm gonna keep talking about grass. Got it? So grass is fun when you can like play in it. So if you have a trampoline in your grass or a play pit or anything, you do not want that in your yard because it can damage your yard and it'll be like bad spots. Okay, so fertilizer is probably the best thing for your grass. So our dad is doing it to the front and back. Front is getting pretty good. So first we're gonna identify the spots that need some help, like right here. So first we're gonna clean up the dead grass, up the area a little bit. Then I wanna smooth it out. So then we keep it wet for about 3 weeks. Then we'll all have new grass. Which spot? Here we go. Move it out. So check back with us in a couple weeks for a grass update. With that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time when we get out of the weeds into a beautiful lawn.